by the ruling party or ruling government a good shot. You will not believe it that we did not get the final permit for the landing of the helicopters of our principals until the morning, that Saturday morning, of the rally. That's one. Number two, the venues, I sent 22-member, advance team. But for 48 hours, they could not do anything because we could not even get permit among the 3 or 4 various venues we have chosen. The government was not available to give us permit. But for the intervention of some very high-level royal people, in Lafayette, that rally would not have held. Then the master blow that they dealt us with was in Nasarawa. For the past 7 or 8 years, nobody has ever heard of environmental sanitation. But government from nowhere on Thursday declared that Saturday an environmental sanitation day, declared a curfew the night before on Friday. I hope you understand. Mm-hmm. And that nobody can move until 10 a.m. on Saturday. So it was impossible. The people you saw there were the people we managed and struggled, and our support groups, brought together from Lafayette and environment alone. 90% of our supporters all over the state could not get access. They could not even come, because some people are living 3 hours away, some 2 hours away. They will not be able to leave their places until 10. And on Friday, they were not, they could not go out in the evening. Mm. So all those things happened, but we give glory to God. Mm. It's a beginning. It's okay. We're fine.
Somehow, you're alleging that the All Progressives Congress.
I'm not alleging. I'm making a statement of fact.
I know.
You can check it. No, you can check it. There were, they actually announced an environmental sanitation that Saturday. That has not happened for 7 years in Nasarawa. Never.